Okay, folks, see if you can see anything through the window. If it can, we'll see what that chipset's doing. Just a short video. We're doing about 25 miles an hour, so we'll see what it can see, how quickly it processes stuff with that Sony chipset. See if it can see through the window. We're going to test this camera all the way and let you guys know if it works well or not. Okay, I'm going to move it close to the window. My windows are dirty, so I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see when we put the videos in the computer. I'm going to move the camera back from the window again. Doing 25 miles an hour again. Bump it up to 35. See how quickly the camera can process it. Okay, that's 37 miles an hour. These Cleveland streets are bad. 37 miles an hour. See how well this camera can process the image with that Sony chipset in there. Sony lens on a Bovlov W1 camera, hidden body camera, very small camera. You can wear it around, and unless somebody looks right at it, they really won't see it. So we're moving. That's my dog whining in the back. I have the camera about 1.5 feet away from the window, the front windshield, so we'll see if how well it can see through the windshield. Okay, folks, I'm at my destination. This was just a quick video, quick test. I'm going to show you, how well it does, what it can see. So anyway, like, share, follow. We appreciate it. And leave a comment on what you think about this Boblov W1 camera. As usual, thanks a million. Have a good day.
A few moments later.
Another driving video. See how good this Sony chipset and this camera can see. The camera's about 1.5 feet away from the windshield. And we're going to see if it can see through the glass. I know my windows are dirty, but we'll see what this Sony chipset and this Sony lens can do when it's moving. I'm I'm going to see if I can hit 50 miles an hour. Point it down a little so it's pointing at the road. See how well it can process 50 miles an hour. Okay, that's 50 miles an hour, and we're seeing how it'll process with that Sony chipset. This is the Boblov W1 hidden body camera, very small camera with a Sony lens and a Sony chipset. Testing it out to see if it's good for a car camera, dash cam. You can use it when you're driving, maybe not. We'll see when we watch the video. This is just a test. It's the second test. Watch our other video and it'll show testing it for light and audio. It's got a pinhole camera, a pinhole microphone rather. So the camera was they cost about $60, and so far it's been pretty good, and we're just testing it out now to see if it can focus and process images clearly, or how well it'll process images when you're on the road. We're not on the freeway, but we're going to do 50 miles an hour again and see what it does. I hope there's no cops around to catch me. Okay, that's 55 miles an hour, 57 miles an hour. The Boblov W1 small hidden body camera, Sony chipset, Sony lens, 57 miles an hour, video dash cam. We're going to see if it works or not.
Might be quicker to go up.
Hopefully it does. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're down to 50 miles an hour. Coming up on a red light. We gotta stop. So anyway, folks, that's about the end of the video. It's just a quick video to see if it'll work for a dash cam. Like, share, subscribe. Put a comment down below what you think of the images, what you think of the camera. It's a Bovlov, once again, W1, small hidden body camera. You can wear it on your body. And thank you a million for watching. Have a good day.